What's the meaning of celibacy? Celibacy. Celibacy.
Celibacy. Celibacy. Celibacy refers to the state of abstaining from sexual activity. This may be due to personal, religious, or cultural reasons. The result of celibacy can vary depending on the individual and their motivations for choosing this lifestyle. Some people may experience a sense of purity or spiritual enlightenment, while others may feel a sense of loneliness or frustration. In some cases, celibacy may lead to improved mental and physical health, as well as increased focus and productivity. Ultimately, the impact of celibacy on an individual's life is highly subjective.